Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we are going to continue exploring the lymphatic system, and we're going to use a combination of images of one of our models from the lab alongside a figure from the Anatomy and Physiology OpenStax text. Let's go ahead and start with our figure first. What this figure is showing is it's showing the lymphatic vessels, and it's showing how the lymphatic vessels are all going to drain into three main structures, which are then going to carry lymph and drain that fluid into the venous system. And we are going to have the lymph drain and return to the venous system through the subclavian veins. We've got our right subclavian vein over here. Here we have our left subclavian vein, and we've kind of enlarged that so we can see that a little bit better. We can also see that subclavian vein on the left side over here in our model from the lab. And on the left side, the thoracic duct is going to be responsible for draining lymph into that subclavian vein. And on the right side, we have the right lymphatic duct. We also have this expanded chamber here, and this is known as the cisterna chyli. And then we can also see, I know it's a little bit small, that's why it's a little easier up here, but we can also see the thoracic duct there as well. We noted that we can see the thoracic duct on our model in the lab. I'm going to go ahead and use a different color just so that I can circle this structure here. So this light green structure here that's draining into that left subclavian vein, that is going to be our thoracic duct on the model. We also want to be able to identify lymph nodes. We have lymph nodes throughout the body, but there are certain areas where they are more concentrated. In the neck area, those are cervical lymph nodes. In the armpit area, those are axillary. And then in the groin area, those would be inguinal. For cervical, we don't have on the model the representation of cervical lymph nodes. What you can do is you can just kind of make a note for yourself that cervical lymph nodes, those are going to be found in the neck area. But we can see our other two, and I'll kind of circle those groupings of lymph nodes. So we've got these groupings of lymph nodes here and here. And again, if we think back to armpit, the landmark name for armpit is axillary. That means that these would be the axillary lymph nodes. And then down here, associated with the groin, we would have the inguinal lymph nodes.